Good Saturday morning. Got a mail call from XAN BIKER to me. You see, XAN BIKER. XAN. Cramping. Alright, so I gotta make sure they fit mine, but he told me they were this kind. So, if they're that kind, they will fit on my bike. On the Blue Mule. Y'all ain't seen it in a while. Don't look a lot different. Although I put the stock airbox back on it with the heavy breather K&N filter inside. And I put an external breather on it so that all that oil ain't going into my motor from when I'm riding it like a wild man, crazy boy. Yeah, the old Chewy dog following me around. Can't be more than 3 steps away. Hi, Chewy dog. Good boy. All right, we'll be back. Let's give this a shot. We're gonna open up the mailbag. I don't think I can do that. Let's see. Hopefully there's not a cash $1 million in here. Let's see what we got. Okay, these are Benlari. Benlari black. All right. They appear to be the correct kind. Black. Benlari. Two of them. One for each side. Never leave home without your Cricket Pig sticker. Never know. All right. There it is. Nicey. Nicey. And that's all it took was a H8 hex head. Took these big luggers off. These suckers weigh probably 5-8 pounds a piece. All rusted. I've been fighting rust with them for years. But so thank you again, XAN BIKER and Benlari. Appreciate y'all. Gonna be nice now. Nice. And a Chewy dog. Anybody need a Chewy dog? Come here. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Remember, XAN BIKER channel. I don't know if you can see my back. Yeah, I'll do it like this. You have to edit. See that? Faith up, rubber down, baby. We'll see y'all next time here on the Flip and the Blue Mule channel. Some of y'all may have noticed I changed the name you see when I post to my name so that, hell, I even stumble over flipping the Blue Mule a few times, so you know, it's easier. All right, y'all take care. Love y'all. Peace out.